What's up everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video we are going to talk about my iPhone 14 Pro Max quad lock case as well as the quad lock car mount. My number one video was about the GoPros and where to place GoPros on your car, and I couldn't even watch my own YouTube videos without seeing their ads so much. So I decided, what the heck, let's try the quad lock case, and I can tell you what, I've already become a huge fan, and I'm excited to tell you guys why I'm a huge fan about the quad lock phone case and the car mount. So let's get right to it. So just taking a look here in my car, I used to have an iPhone 6 and I had the Scosche Magic Mount Pro. So basically this is a magnetic one, and on the back of my phone I basically put a piece of 3M, which was nice for the time being, but it came time for needing a new cell phone, and I went on ahead and got the iPhone 14 Pro Max, which is a great phone, but I first started out with this silicone phone case, and I can tell you, number one thing, I'll probably never ever buy a silicone phone case again because I am tired of the grease. I'm tired of how hard it is to get in and out of shorts, pants. It just collects dust, and after a while it looks pretty gross. I don't want to blind you guys here, so let's move some of the stuff over. So now the iPhone 14 Pro Max is a heavier phone, so obviously when you pick up the phone versus a different phone, it's going to feel heavier. But what I want to talk about is the iPhone, the case is not made out of silicone. Sorry, my phone's got a little mishap there with the screen protector, but I'll tell you what, the number one test, let's get right to it, is in the pocket. Right there. That was pretty bad. Let's do it again. In, out. Let's look at the back. Look, no lint, no anything like that. So the functionality is great. I've already dropped my phone, and this case protected the crash. Obviously no cracked screen or anything, but let's now get down into the mount. So the reason why I like this mount is, as you can see from the back of the phone, it locks into place. So with it being able to lock into place, it makes it really nice whenever you're going off-road or going really fast on the road and you hit a bump, because it's very, very secure. This mount was back ordered, so I don't really want to talk about how long it took for me to get it because it was a pain in the butt. But after it finally shipped, it didn't ship from Australia. This company is based out of Australia, but that's not where it came from. But I've been thoroughly pleased, because going at high speeds on my road rallies and things like that, when the car hits a bump, your phone doesn't move. With a magnet, it's got a possibility of moving, and the magnets that are on the back of these type of phone cases are trash. I mean, they're awful. So keeping the Scosche Magic Mount was not going to happen, but this has been a great move. I really, really enjoy it. Is the phone case kind of bulky? Sure, you can say that, but it's really not that much to where it makes me not want to have it. So the form, functionality, protection, everything about the quad lock phone case has been nice. So let's now get into the car and see what it looks like there. So getting in, it can be kind of tricky, but what I like to do is, generally I like to guide it with my ring finger. So right here, boom, locked into place. You guys saw how easy that was. Not a big deal at all. You can charge your phone. You can even put it in sideways. So this one's gonna be a little bit harder because I don't do this very often. But boom, say you're with your spouse or your kids and they want to watch TV, and you want to occupy them but not have them hold your phone just in case you need to grab something. Turn it to the left. Obviously you don't want to turn it to the right, but there's a gimbal right here that allows you to angle it whichever way you want to angle it, and then you can tighten it on the back. I really have thoroughly enjoyed this. The only problem that I do have with it is the front of my car. Obviously with the state registration and the toll tag, I can't really control those, but this big bright blue dot kind of in the way can be kind of obnoxious because you can kind of see it from a ways back. But I've thoroughly enjoyed the quad lock phone case as well as the phone mount. And here, if we take a look inside of my dad's Jeep, he's got a phone mount right there that, to be honest, it might hold the phone well, it might not vibrate. I think sometimes it does vibrate, but that's because you have to set your phone case in there with it, obviously. But the thing about it is quad lock is one-handed. Most of these phone cases or phone mounts inside the car where you have to do a lot of that is a two-handed job. So the fact that you can easily do it inside of here with one hand, some people aren't the biggest fans of it, but I think it looks great. It's clean. They also have many other options, but I certainly think quad lock is a great way to go, right? To anybody that thinks this looks ugly, I can kind of understand that, but you know, I think it looks ugly when people put pop sockets on their phone. So it looks nice, protects your phone, is smooth, easy in and out of pockets, and it's one-handed to put it up there. So guide it in. This is real, baby. No fake edits. Boom. So of course it's going to take a couple of tries, but once you get it down, you saw how I did it the first time, not a big deal. But as always, thank you guys for watching. If you haven't already, get yourself a quad lock, and I promise you guys to thank me later. Peace.